At Stay in Touch Hearing Aids, we improve lost hearing to a level that you may not have thought possible. And this is a true passion of the staff at Stay in Touch Hearing Aids. Owner Bill Catley chose this profession as a result of his absolute love for being able to help others who are not enjoying the quality of life they desire. Let's face it, if you can't hear as well as you did at an earlier point in your life, it can be aggravating. It can also be depressing, and the team at Stay in Touch Hearing Aid can change this. We've helped hundreds and hundreds of people just like you. Find out how easy the process is when you deal with Stay in Touch Hearing. Visit our site at www.stayintouchhearingaids.com and we'll explain just how close you are to relief.